they unlink. Just like that.
I done told you about picking up stuff on the ground. I done told her they putting fentanyl on everything. I say we do that one as a family. Mama said, ain't no way, bro.
Good. Ladies first. Good.
Mexican street corn. We want to ride a Thunderbolt. That look like we be throwing up chunks. It's a cute bag. $30 though. Come on now. 35. Look at Mama doing what she do best, looking for something to buy. It spins. Oh my God.
Look at that.
No, let's go down there.
You wanna go?
I ain't getting on it, but we can go look at it. Popcorn. We trying to find a funnel cake, huh? Where? Where?
On that side, show you.
Oh. $10. God gave us free tickets to the magic show.
Okay, now point your thumbs up. Good. Now point your thumbs down. Good. Now take one hand, cross it over your wrist, and grab your fingers. There you go. Now try wiggling your fingers. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your fingers. Ma'am, you're just moving them. You gotta wiggle, wiggle. There, that's better. That's better. Okay, good. Now, if you've done it right, you should be able to lock your fingers. And now follow me and just twist your hand straight up like that.
What?
And then you can take your arms.
I can't do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Irma. Your trick for everybody? Do you? Okay, here she goes. Play dead. She's waiting for the applause. You did a good job, right? Yes, you did. Yeah.
Hey, man.
She didn't want to go.
You didn't want to get out?
She didn't want to go.
She scared? I know you. You were let me get ready. Here we go. See me, baby. It ain't that bad. Margate, we love you.
Oh, wow.
It's nice, man.
It needs some oil.
Say it with your chest.
It won't worth $20, but it was cool. These two didn't stop to look at the doggone thing. Brian!
Oh, yeah.